NDA may not have yet formed the government, but it's clear that Rahul Gandhi and are more confident with an ego boost that they have got with regard to the seats India bloc has got. They are charging at the BJP already. Congress MP Rahul Gandhi on Thursday launched a fresh attack on Prime Minister Narendra Modi and Home Minister Amit Shah over the stock market crash. He accused Prime Minister Modi and Amit Shah of advising investors to buy stocks ahead of results. Rahul Gandhi basically is claiming that markets crashed after the Lok Sabha election results were announced, causing huge losses to retail investors. He's also demanded a JPC investigation into what he said before that was a full-on stock market scam. BJP has been quick to hit back at Rahul Gandhi, calling an India-loathing pessimist. Piyush Goyal accused Rahul Gandhi of creating fear even among investors, had said Rahul Gandhi wants market FII to stop.
ये देखिए ग्राफ है, ये रेड चार्ट जो है, इसको देख लीजिए, ये नॉर्मल ट्रेडिंग है, ये ग्रे वाली नॉर्मल ट्रेडिंग है, और ये जो ट्रेडिंग है, ये अबनॉर्मल ट्रेडिंग है, ये 2-3 गुना है, और फिर ये हुआ है नुकसान। तो ये नरेंद्र मोदी जी और अमित शाह से मैं पूछ रहा हूं कि आप में इसमें आपका क्या रोल था, और रिटेल इन्वेस्टर्स के लिए पूछ रहा हूं, आपकी मदद करने के लिए पूछ रहा हूं, और इन्वेस्टिगेशन होगा तो आपके लिए होगा। वी आर एब्सोल्युटली कन्विंस्ड दैट दिस इज ए स्कैम। somebody has made thousands of crores of rupees at the cost of Indian retail investors, and the Prime Minister and the Home Minister have given an indication to buy. And this is a criminal act. So we demand today a joint parliamentary committee to investigate this.
Remember, just 2 days after the India bloc restricted the Bharatiya Janata Party below majority, Congress MP Rahul Gandhi launched an immediate attack at Prime Minister Modi. He's accusing both Prime Minister and Home Minister Amit Shah of advising investors to buy stocks ahead of results. So listen in to how this really became the huge showdown yesterday.
Hours after the final phase of polling in Lok Sabha elections concluded, several exit polls predicted that NDA could win 400 seats, sending the Sensex soaring. On Tuesday, as the official numbers emerged, the BSE Sensex plunged over 6,000 points to the 70,300 mark, while the Nifty 50 ended at 21,884.50. Market capitalization decreased by rupees 45.56 lakh crore to 380 lakh crore, causing hefty losses to the investors. Congress MP Rahul Gandhi on Thursday called the crash deliberate market manipulation.
We are absolutely convinced that this is a scam. Somebody has made thousands of crores of rupees at the cost of Indian retail investors, and the Prime Minister and the Home Minister have given an indication to buy. And this is a criminal act.
Rahul posed direct questions to Prime Minister Narendra Modi and Home Minister Amit Shah.
This is directly the Prime Minister of India, Home Minister, who are privy to data on actual election results, who have IB reports, who have their own data, who are advising retail investors to buy stock.
The Congress leader has demanded a joint parliamentary committee probe.
We are interested in having a joint parliamentary committee, a JPC, to investigate the role of the Prime Minister, the role of the Home Minister, role of BJP members, and also those people who have done these fake exit polls. And finally, we want to understand who are the people, these foreign investors, who did these trades. So we want an investigation for that.
The BJP has hit back at Rahul, accusing him of creating fear among investors.
वो मार्केट के इन्वेस्टर्स को भी गुमराह करने की साजिश रच रहे हैं और अपने बयानों के साथ विदेश और देश के निवेशकों को एक भय के वातावरण में निवेश ना करें, इसके लिए उत्साहित करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं।
Just 2 days after results were announced, a newly energized opposition has gone to the front foot right away. With the NDA Sarkar dependent on allies, the opposition will try to corner the government in the coming months. Bureau Report, India Today.